So this is the first photo that we're going to be focusing on. So use the rectangle marquee tool to make a selection around this top rib. The marquee tool is located in your toolbar to the left. You can actually use the hotkey M to quick select it. And once you quick select it, I actually want you to cut it out and paste it on the document that we created earlier. Now, once you have it pasted on, you may notice that it's a bit bigger than the canvas. So we're actually going to resize it. So if you're on a Windows, press Control T, but if you're on a Mac, just press Command T, and we're going to resize this. So while we're resizing it, one quick tip I can share with you guys is whenever you're resizing something, always hold down Shift while you're doing it. That way the picture doesn't lose proportions. And once it's resized, I'm just actually looking for the right placement for this rip, and I think I found it.